Hello and welcome back to Leander98 channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make a 3D printable car in Blender. We're going to be using a 2019 Toyota GR86 as our template to make throughout the tutorial. So without further ado, I present to you the 2024 modeling tutorial for 3D printing. Alright, in the last video, we did this door area and the side skirt. So, we're going to continue on, and we'll do the fender. Maybe even the hood. So, let's go. Alright, so we're going to do what we did last time. Do 3 vertices up. Looks like we're going to be rather flat here. That's fine. And then a similar notion down. Yeah. Make the reach. Guess I should take a look at the car first. So as we can see, we have that, but that needs to go over this way. So this and this need to be connected. Then let's see. If anything, bring this down. And then extrude this out. With that in mind, though, this was rather flat, so we'll bring this back. Throw in a loop cut. No. Mesh. Alright, then take this, put it up to the headlight. Let's see. Might help to start looking at the front of the car. Alright, so it comes up, and we have a line that bleeds off right there. However, I want at least another cut. And this line looks like it'll meet up with this. Connect, connect, connect. Let's see. W, subdivide. Whoa. Over here. And we'll we'll subdivide again, our loop cut. Bring it over just a little. Connect that with that. And this will connect with this. Sweet. Alright, that's a Fender. Come over here and we'll connect the hood. Nice. Okay. Level that out. Okay, so we got some hood detail. Alright, so it looks like we're gonna come this way. Alright, this is where stuff starts getting interesting. So let's see. Looks like if we could have add a loop cut. Drag that forward a little. This can come down. This, though, need to have that very far forward. So it looks like this is going to be our headlight wraparound. Alright, so after it comes down to that, it then also over here. So after it's there, it then reconvenes with this line. And it looks like that it looks like it even drops a little. W, subdivide. How do I want to, because I want to drop that in, and then it dips down. There seems to be, we're gonna drop 2 in here. Whoa. Drop 2 in there for known reasons, just so then we can make that an end gun for now. And then this needs to connect over here. Gonna make another N-gon. Then we'll get the knife tool and cut up this N-gon. Now I gotta figure out how to do something similar down here. Whoa. Bring this over. Do I want to connect with that? Yeah, why not? Now, we do have this line. Sweet. Okay, so take that, slam this on over, scale it down a little, and we gotta make sure that it is, whoa, in line. Double loop cut. Bring this forward. Could have done this earlier, but that's fine. Okay, that's gonna be fun, ain't it? May as well finish the pillar while we're here. So I think we're gonna take this, bring that back, because that's part of the door, so I don't want to really screw that up. And then after we did that, we'll bring this in. Whoa, I don't want that button. However, I do want the save button. That's a good one. Okay, so I have various things to... Oh man, I'm gonna regret that one, aren't I? Let's see. How do we get this many loop cuts going through here? Oh no, that's how much we had. All right. Sweet. All right, we got the fender in the hood. Nice. All right, I think we'll end it here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.